Did I just lisp? Sorry. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Robyn. I run a holistic beauty blog called The Whole, and in this space we're all about feeling beautiful from inside out. In this video, which is probably going to be the shortest video you've ever watched, I'm going to be showing you how I fake a fringe. My hair has grown quite quickly since my big chop in Jan, my forced big chop, which we won't go into now. But I've been really reluctant to cut my hair, and it was either going to be I cut my hair really short or I grow my hair to be like really long again. So I decided that I was going to grow my hair, and then when I'm tired of it, then I'll just cut it. Here we go! My hair is quite long in the front. So all I do is I scrunch my hair and I lift this up to the height that I want, above my eyes. And yes, you can see a bump here, don't worry about that. And I take my pin and I just slide it to where it should be. You don't need to worry that there's a kink on top, and you don't need to worry that the pin will cause a kink in your hair because your hair is already curly. And then all I do is I just fluff out my hair, and no one will ever notice that I have a pin in my hair. No one will even notice this kink because my hair does have that wave and it's so volumized. It works for me, like it literally works for me, and as you guys can tell, it looks like a proper fringe. So let me know if you guys have tried this out, if this is a hack that is really old, or if it's something that you just found out about. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video to let me know that you want to see videos that are similar to this, and also subscribe if you haven't already, because my goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers and I'm almost there. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.